The Italian Alps, a mesmerizing mountain range nestled in the northern part of Italy, offer a captivating blend of natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and cultural experiences that beckon travelers from across the globe. Stretching across multiple regions, including Lombardy, Trentino Alto Adige, Aosta Valley, and Piedmont, the Italian Alps showcase a stunning tapestry of snow-capped peaks, lush valleys, crystal-clear lakes, and charming alpine villages. Here's a detailed exploration of the myriad things to do and the rich tourism opportunities this enchanting region has to offer. Start your journey by embarking on scenic drives through winding mountain roads. The Stelvio Pass Road, the highest paved mountain pass in the Eastern Alps, offers breathtaking vistas, while the Great Dolomites Road winds its way through the dramatic Dolomites Range. The Italian Alps are a winter sports paradise, with world-renowned ski resorts like Cortina d'Ampezzo, Madonna di Campiglio, and Courmayeur. Enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and other snow-related activities in the pristine alpine surroundings. In the warmer months, the Alps transform into a hiker's paradise. Explore the network of hiking trails that crisscross the region, such as the Alta Via 1 and Alta Via 2, offering breathtaking views of the mountains, valleys, and charming hamlets. Take your adventure to the next level by mountain biking along rugged trails, including the famous Val Gardena Bike Trail. Mountain biking allows you to immerse yourself in the alpine landscape and experience the thrill of descending through lush forests. Savor the delectable cuisine of the Alps, characterized by hearty dishes like polenta, cheese fondue, and game meats. Pair your meal with local wines or the traditional grappa, a regional digestif. The region is home to stunning alpine lakes, such as Lake Garda, Lake Como, and Lake Maggiore. These offer opportunities for swimming, boating, windsurfing, and simply relaxing on the shores. Explore historic towns and villages, including Bolzano, Trento, and Aosta, where you can discover ancient castles, churches, and museums that offer insights into the region's rich history and culture. Visit the Gran Paradiso National Park, Italy's oldest national park, to witness diverse wildlife, including ibex and chamois, against a backdrop of dramatic alpine scenery. After a day of adventure, unwind at world-class wellness and spa facilities in the region, offering relaxation amidst the stunning natural surroundings. Plan your visit to coincide with local festivals and events, such as the Trentino Wine and Food Festival or the Fiera di Sant'Orso in Aosta, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture. The Alps are home to unique fauna, and you can go on guided tours to spot marmots, eagles, and other wildlife in their natural habitat. For the daring, the Dolomites offer some of the best rock climbing opportunities in the world, with towering limestone peaks and challenging routes. Capture the stunning landscapes, charming villages, and dramatic mountain vistas as you explore the Italian Alps. The region provides endless opportunities for photographers. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures, serene natural beauty, or a taste of alpine culture and cuisine, the Italian Alps provide an extraordinary playground for travelers. With its diverse range of activities and picturesque landscapes, this enchanting region promises an unforgettable journey for all who venture into its majestic embrace.